Blaze Bauer will get knocked out. Persig will win that one over. Blaze Bauer with the shot. He scores! Gustafson will play this one over to Dominic Despinez. Back up front. Gustafson scores! Tonight, he still has an opportunity to get the first one of the season. Here's Grant Harder with the redirection up front, and they score! TJ Gibson! It's Mason City Toros on YouTube. Check out Beyond the Blue Line, and they score! And William, traffic, great save by to the far side corner. That one's played over. Gavin Norton will find it and will win this one. Toros victorious tonight, 4-3. What's going on, Toros fans? We're back for another Beyond the Blue Line. The boys with a big win last night, 4-3. It was a very back and forth game last night. The Toros would score and Alexandria would tie it up. However, the Toros never gave up the lead last night. They kept getting it back. Big win last night, 4-3. Mason Buchanan with the game-winning goal. But they're back in action tonight, looking to sweep this Alexandria Blizzard squad. Tonight's game is probably going to be one of the most physical games of the season. You guarantee that Alexandria is going to bring it, but so are the boys tonight. So let's get ready, let's get set, let's hop into it.
Barriers, I keep on crushing it till I am done. I didn't get here by accident, no, I've been gunning it since I was young. Ain't no moon that can outshine the sun. I didn't get here by accident, no, I've been gunning it since I was young. Second to none. Been gunning it since I was young.
Here we go.
I'm standing at the edge now. It's about to go down. I'm gonna take it higher.
Yeah.
Here we go. Take a shot, boy, you better not miss, cause it won't ever happen again. You're gonna wake up and not even know what your name is or where you have been. Better be ready to bleed if you think that you have any hope for a win. You're gonna wake up and not even know what your name is or where you have been. I never go dim, cause I only know how to win. I'm standing at the edge now, it's about to go down. I'm gonna take it higher. It's time for me to light it, so they can't deny it. Hey, bring that fire. Bring that fire. Bring that fire. Light it, light it, light it, light it, light it up. Light it, light it, light it up. Bring that fire. Light it, light it, light it, light it, light it up. Light it, light it, light it up. Bring that fire. I'm standing at the edge now. It's about to go down. I'm gonna take it higher. It's time for me to light it, so they can't deny it. Hey, bring that fire.
Gustafson and Connor Zagoda will line up in the face-off draw, and this face-off controlled back by the Toros. Toros got outshot. There was almost 12 shots on goal before they got their very first shot. Look to see him get the first one here early night. We got a broken stick on the ice. That one over to Stone Rush. Here comes Dominic Despinez. Despinez up ice over to Rush. Shot on net, and they score! Out of their own zone. Thielen plays this one back beyond the net for Aiden Barr. Anderson will chase after it. He'll knock his man down back beyond the net. They're sitting along the blue line. He'll shake off a little bit of a hit as he goes in the spin cycle. Gustafson will put a hit on as Alexander tries to pick this one up back beyond the net. Over to Grant Harder, managed to keep this one in along the blue line. Down to 4 seconds left to go in the power play. And the Toros score! Gus is in 2 points on the night so far. And Persig lays a big hit. Out of Harder's reach. 2-1 developing back the other way for Alexandria. Here comes Alexandria. Let's take a look. That one off of the blocker of Logan Nolan. Great save by Nolan. It's one over where it's intercepted and then punched out of the zone. There's Mason Buchanan. Buchanan just knocks Boughton down. He didn't really have to do much work. Bollinger will come out with it. He's trying to play the one up to Stone Resch. Shot on net. Great save by Logan Nolan. For the Grant Harder up to Hunter Anderson. Anderson will try to play it up ice to Stone Resch. Now picked up. Here's Gustafson with a shot on net. Gustafson will settle this one down once again. He'll work his way towards the net. And he'll score! And score big this season. Visit SookUp.com to find your dealer today. Shot on net. Nolan finds it one through traffic. Stoppage in place. 7:03 left to go in the second. Then kept in the zone by Alexandria. Long shot on net. Nolan finds it one through traffic. With a stoppage with 34.1 left to go in the second. Pressure on Williams will lose his stick. Plaga will control this one. Here's Plaga and Gibson. And Plaga scores! Up front. No goal. That one played back out. Nolan back up. Down to 1:15 left to go. Nolan desperately looking for it, and he stops it! Now play to the corner. Toros will try to trap this one. Grant Harder will eat up some valuable time, and the Toros winners sweep on the weekend. Winners tonight 5-3.